Clients want custom websites, but they don't want to wait 6 weeks. They want it fast, they want it pixel perfect, and they definitely don't want to pay for endless revisions. So today, I'm going to take a complete Figma design and convert it into a fully responsive client-ready website in Wix Studio. And I'm going to walk you through our exact process as an agency, from design handoff to launch, so you can deliver faster, charge more, and keep your clients happy. Let's get into it. Before we dive into the actual build process, let me quickly explain our approach as an agency. Depending on the client's budget and the complexity of the project, we have two main workflows. For high-end projects, we design a completely custom website in Figma and then convert it into a fully responsive site using Wix Studio. For projects with tighter budgets or faster timelines, we jump straight into Wix Studio and customize their professionally designed templates. And look, there are many ways to build a website, right? You can code it from scratch, you can hire a developer, but nowadays you can build pretty much everything with Wix Studio, from simple portfolio websites to complex e-commerce sites with hundreds of products. It's all possible. Alright, so let's walk through our process when we've designed something custom in Figma. The first step is exporting all the required assets. Icons, logos, images, graphics, illustrations, basically everything we need to bring the design to life. I'm going to select all these elements and export them in the right formats. PNGs for graphics with transparency, JPEGs for photos, and SVGs for icons to keep them crisp at any size. Now here's where things get really efficient. To speed up our process, we are going to connect our Figma project directly to Wix Studio using their dedicated plugin. This allows us to import our entire design system, color styles, text styles, the whole thing, directly into Wix Studio. Let me show you. I'll open the Wix Studio plugin in Figma, and with just a few clicks, boom, our design system is now synced. This is huge because it means we don't have to manually recreate every single color code or font setting. Everything stays consistent between design and development. Once our design system is connected, we'll jump into Wix Studio and import all our assets. Now we start building the website section by section. I'll drag in a section container, add our hero image, bring in the headline using our imported text styles, and layer in the call to action buttons. For simpler projects like a landing page, there is an even faster workflow. We can actually export the whole page from Figma directly into Wix Studio using their plugin. It creates all the sections automatically, and then we just refine them and make everything responsive using Wix Studio's tools. Speaking of responsiveness, this is critical. We always check every single section on mobile, tablet, and desktop breakpoints. Wix Studio makes this super easy with its responsive editor. I can literally see how the site looks on different devices in real time and adjust spacing, font sizes, and layouts specifically for each breakpoint. See how this text was a bit too large on mobile? I'll scale it down just for that view. The desktop version stays exactly as we designed it. Alright, once all our pages are built and fully responsive, it's time to add some life to the project with animations. Wix Studio has pretty advanced animation capabilities. You've got scroll effects, where elements fade in or slide up on your scroll. You've got hover animations for buttons and images, and you can even create timeline-based animations for more complex motion. Let's add a few to our page. I'm going to add a fade-in effect to this hero section so it appears smoothly when someone lands on the page. For these feature cards, I'll add a slight animation on scroll with a slight stagger so they don't all appear at once. Gives it a more polished feel. And for the buttons, let's add a subtle hover scale effect. See that? Much more engaging. Now sometimes you need to create dynamic pages like a blog, a theme page, or a portfolio where you have multiple items that follow the same template. You don't want to build 20 separate team member pages manually, right? That's where Wix Studio's CMS comes in. The CMS lets you create a collection. Think of it as a database where you can add all your content. Then you design one template and it automatically populates with all the data from your collection. Let me show you how it works quickly. I'll create a new CMS collection called Team Members. Then I'll add fields for name, role, bio, and profile photo. Now I can add all our team members' information right here. Next, I'll create a dynamic page and connect it to this collection. I'll design the layout once, photo here, name here, bio below, and connect each element to the corresponding field in our CMS. And just like that, every team member now has their own page with the same beautiful layout, but with their unique information. If the client needs to add a new team member later, they just add a new item to the collection. No design or development needed. Alright, cool, let's preview it. As you can see, we have a fully responsive website now with smooth animations and dynamic pages. Everything is working beautifully across all devices. Now we can hit publish. Wix Studio gives you the option to use a free domain if you want to test things out, but for a professional client project, we always go with the custom domain option. The client usually already owns their domain, so we just connect it right here in the settings. Next, we need to optimize the website for search engines. Wix Studio has some really advanced SEO features built in. We'll connect the website to Google Search Console so we can monitor how it performs in search results. We'll also make sure every page has proper meta titles, meta descriptions, and alt text for images. Wix Studio actually has an SEO assistant that walks you through a checklist to make sure you're not missing anything important. Finally, and this is super important, we transfer the website ownership to our client's account. This gives them full control over their website. They can make content updates, add blog posts, change images, whatever they need, without having to come back to us for every little thing. It also means the billing goes directly to them. We also usually include a quick training session where we show them how to use the editor for basic updates. But honestly, Wix Studio's interface is intuitive enough that most clients figure it out pretty quickly. And that's it. That's our complete process for building professional client websites in Wix Studio. From design import to launch, the whole workflow is streamlined, efficient, and delivers results that clients love. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more design tutorials. Have a great day and see you next time.